The workshop was very informative, but most of all, very therapeutic. I feel alive. I feel like the space given to me to share and express myself, it's what I truly needed to start learning more about effective communication.
Very enlightening. Initially, I was a little nervous being in a group of people I didn't know, but throughout the workshop I realized that there is vulnerability in all of us, a need to acknowledge our needs. I enjoyed the process of acknowledging my own needs.
I haven't felt heard and seen like I have for these 2 days. Always inspired by NBC, and the people here were great. We all held a space for each other, and it's really nice getting back to basics of what it's like to be human and truly human. Share from that humanness.
And specifically, I enjoyed the practical exercises. I really appreciated my fellow participants in the group, their sharing and being so vulnerable, and it encouraged me and helped me to be open and also to be vulnerable, because we're all learning. It's in that I also learn. But for the facilitators themselves, for taking us through the steps with such patience, caring, and tenderness, and themselves expressing their own vulnerabilities.
So it was an excellent workshop and I'm grateful.